English practice. আমি পড়ছিলাম। I was reading. আমি পড়ছিলাম। I was reading. আমি পড়ছিলাম না। I was not reading. আমি পড়ছিলাম না। I was not reading. আমি কি পড়ছিলাম? Was I reading? আমি কি পড়ছিলাম? Was I reading? আমি কি পড়ছিলাম না? Was I not reading? আমি কি পড়ছিলাম না? Was I not reading? তুমি পড়ছিলে। You were reading. তুমি পড়ছিলে। You were reading. তুমি পড়ছিলে না। You were not reading. তুমি পড়ছিলে না। You were not reading. তুমি কি পড়ছিলে? Were you reading? তুমি কি পড়ছিলে? Were you reading? তুমি কি পড়ছিলে না? Were you not reading? তুমি কি পড়ছিলে না? Were you not reading? সে পড়ছিল। He was reading. সে পড়ছিল। He was reading. সে পড়ছিল না। He was not reading. সে পড়ছিল না। He was not reading. সে কি পড়ছিল? Was he reading? সে কি পড়ছিল? Was he reading? সে কি পড়ছিল না? Was he not reading? সে কি পড়ছিল না? Was he not reading? তারা পড়ছিল। They were reading. তারা পড়ছিল। They were reading. তারা পড়ছিল না। They were not reading. তারা পড়ছিল না। They were not reading. তারা কি পড়ছিল? Were they reading? তারা কি পড়ছিল? Were they reading? তারা কি পড়ছিল না? Were they not reading? তারা কি পড়ছিল না? Were they not reading? আমার ভাই পড়ছিল। My brother was reading. আমার ভাই পড়ছিল। My brother was reading. আমার বন্ধু পড়ছিল। My friend was reading. আমার বন্ধু পড়ছিল। My friend was reading. আমার বোন পড়ছিল। My sister was reading. আমার বোন পড়ছিল। My sister was reading. আমার চাচা পড়ছিল। My uncle was reading. আমার চাচা পড়ছিল। My uncle was reading. আমি ভাত খাচ্ছিলাম। I was eating rice. আমি ভাত খাচ্ছিলাম। I was eating rice. তুমি ভাত খাচ্ছিলে। You were eating rice. তুমি ভাত খাচ্ছিলে। You were eating rice. সে ভাত খাচ্ছিল। He was eating rice. সে ভাত খাচ্ছিল। He was eating rice. তারা ভাত খাচ্ছিল। They were eating rice. তারা ভাত খাচ্ছিল। They were eating rice. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, comment and share.